Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshita from Seeker and I'm pursuing a NEET Foundation course at Sri Chaitanya Academy.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Khushi from Seeker, pursuing a NEET Foundation course at Sri Chaitanya Academy.
Good morning, everyone. I am Priyanshi from Seeker and pursuing in J Foundation at Sri Chaitanya Academy.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shivani from Jaipur and I'm pursuing in J Foundation course at Sri Chaitanya Academy Seeker.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Navya from Madhya Pradesh, pursuing J Foundation course at Sri Chaitanya Academy, Seeker.
Good morning, everyone. I am Nupur from Jaipur, pursuing in J Foundation at Sri Chaitanya Academy, Seeker.
Why Chaitanya? Because here the dreams get direction. The right path to become a doctor starts here with top class faculty, crystal clear concepts, and personal guidance at every step. We had never fall behind. Add to that regular tests, doubt counters, and the best study material to sharpen every skill. At Sri Chaitanya, each day brings me one step closer to my goal because this isn't just an academy, it's a launch pad for future achievers like me.
The environment of Sri Chaitanya Academy is home friendly with all adequate academic facilities. I like the academic facilities most because it's total to explore all the possibilities to achieve a good rank in NEET. And here, the highly qualified teachers act as a compass which activates the magnet of wisdom, knowledge, and curiosity in ourselves. I appreciate the honesty of management for their constructive advice with regard to improve my time management skills through fabulous academic activities such as mock tests, DPP provision, study material, etc. For achieving my goal to be a doctor in my life, not only the teachers, but the whole environment supports me.
As my dream is to become an IITN, I had chosen Sri Chaitanya Institute to achieve it. Here I am getting best academic facilities with online classes, regular test series, smart and air-conditioned classroom. The management is also so supportive and provide us the best guidance for our goal achievement. The surrounding of institute is well facilitated which fulfill our every requirement regarding the goals. These all facilities of academy ensure not only selection in JEE but also help to secure good rank in the competition.
Since childhood, I have dreamed of becoming an IITian and cracking India's toughest exam JEE. To achieve this, I needed the best guidance, and Sri Chaitanya provides expert faculty, daily quizzes, top class study material. The doubt counters and mentorships here solve every problem and boost our performances. The learning environment keeps us focused and motivated with such support, and I believe that one day I will surely achieve my dream of becoming an IITian.
I have chosen this academy because it gives me the right direction to follow my dream of becoming an IITian. Here, the teacher explains every concept clearly and guides us to every step. The regular test, doubt counters, and study material helps me to stay ahead. Each day at Chaitanya brings me closer to my goal. I am thankful to be a part of a place that truly builds future achievers. So, if your goal resembles to mine, join Chaitanya, which is the synonym of the best.
I had become a part of Sri Chaitanya Academy 2 months ago to prepare for my JEE exam and to secure AIR 1, for which Sri Chaitanya is known for. This academy provides me with top quality education with highly specialized educators who guide us for our dreams and ambitions. This academy has a very safe and secure atmosphere as required by the aspirants of JEE. The DPPs, modules, doubt counters all make the path easy for the aspirant to achieve their aim. So think best, think Chaitanya.